What year is this? 95?
95.
All right, so this 95, what, S850, some shit like that? Anyways, this Volvo had a problem with the alternator. It was not charging.
940.
So it's a 940. So the alternator was not charging. It's been replaced once before. And I found that the problem was actually due to this ground wire. It's corroded at this connector and developed high resistance through this wire, and that's limiting the output of the alternator. So it caused a severe voltage drop, made the car cut off. So what I'm gonna do is just rig up a new wire. Got my new wire here and some connectors, so I'm gonna rig that up and hopefully the alternator will be working after that. All right, so I've got this corroded, messed up wire out of the way. Then I've installed a new wire. As you can see, this alternator is rubber isolated at the bushings. So for that reason, it's required to have a ground wire to complete the circuit. Got my jump box on here. Once this thing is running, we're gonna be able to see if the alternator is working. All right, so it's now running. I'm gonna disconnect my jump box. And you can see now the alternator is putting out voltage. It's gonna be a little low because of how depleted the battery is. But before, when I came out here, after I jumped the vehicle, I was reading about 10 volts at the battery. Now I'm reading just over 13, so that was definitely the problem.